Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install a trim kit on a Napoleon Altitude Series fireplace. The trim kit secures to the safety barrier and covers the gap between the appliance and finishing material. To begin, place the optional trim face down on a non-abrasive surface. Ensure the top bracket is located on the upper edge so the trim is installed correctly. Next, remove the safety barrier from the appliance, and place the top end underneath the flange on the top bracket. The bottom will then rest into the bottom half of the trim. When placed correctly, the holes on the side of the trim will line up with the locators on the safety barrier. Two 16-gauge and one 18-gauge shim are provided to fill the gap between the trim and safety barrier, eliminating bowing. Once the barrier is lined up and shims are installed, secure the trim on both sides through the holes. When secured correctly, the safety barrier and trim will act as one piece. Reinstall the safety barrier onto the appliance to finalize the installation. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.